We first create a box out of foam 5 inches in height and 3 inches in width. We made 3 layers of foam. Make sure to glue them so the textured side is on the inside and not facing outwards on the front or the back side. Score the foam with a knife so the glue has something to grip onto. We use DAP wellwood and 2 coats of it. The first coat will be for the foam to soak up, and the second coat will be the actual gluing coat. So we will wait 15 minutes in between applying the coats and then glue the pieces together. Slowly line the pieces together and squeeze them as hard as you can. If the pieces are off a little bit, cut them off with a knife or sand them down with a Dremel. Heat seal the foam with a heat gun. Glue on some rectangles on the front of the walkie-talkie. You can also add buttons. And then you can actually cut some horizontal lines out to simulate the speaker. You can also get an assortment of knobs from toothpaste containers or anything else you have. Glue them down onto the top, and also a dowel could be pretty nice to simulate an antenna. For the smaller communication piece, I used a rounded off circle with smaller pieces similar to the bigger walkie-talkie piece. I will be using water-based clay to fill in the seams of the foam. You could also use quick seal too to fill in the layers. You don't have to use clay. I added a piece of foam, glued on just the top, and then velcroed on just the bottom, so the walkie-talkie can fit onto a belt. A clip from a coat hanger was cut off and then glued onto the back of the small walkie-talkie so it can be hooked onto the shoulder of a shirt. I had taken a phone cord from Goodwill and connected the 2 pieces and coated everything except for the wire in Plasti-Dip for 2 layers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more prop tutorials.